Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete forex.com from your mobile device. For that, let's find forex.com app. So here it is. Hold on for a second and it will give you this option, an app info, and it will navigate you to this interface. Here you will see uninstall icon on bottom. Click on it. Tap on OK to confirm. So in this way you can uninstall forex.com app from your device. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.